are at the A.C.T. Metal Deck Supply booth with some of our dear friends, Michael and Carm. So we're coming in so they can tell you what's happening at the MRCA show. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Heidi. So how's the show been?
It's been excellent.
Robust,
Robust.
I would say.
Yeah, I think it's really good. So I'd like to have you two introduce yourselves. So Carm, can you start?
I'm Carm Termini. I'm the marketing director of A.C.T. Metal Deck Supply.
Awesome. Michael.
Michael Polizzi, sales manager.
And can you tell me a little bit about A.C.T.?
I can tell you about A.C.T, but first we're going to tell you how excited we're here with both RCAT and MRCA, two of our favorite associations, and we're fortunate enough to have great customers all up through the central part of the country and of course Texas. So this is really fun. We're in Texas and we're seeing people from Indiana and yeah, so we're excited about it, but looking forward to it a lot. So we're a metal deck distributor with 15 locations in 11 states, and we're doing a presentation tomorrow. We have to plug that, of course.
Yes, what's the presentation on?
The only thing we know how to talk about, it's Metal Deck 101, Metal Deck replacement. Metal Deck and roofers is really only happening in replacement, new construction. The deck is down already. So we're going to talk about replacing and how to come over here. We'll matching the different profiles and how to get the right one so that it can nest into the other one. A lot of very obsolete profiles with these old roofs.
And you work with the customers to match them, to make sure that they fit?
Every day, all over the country, we're talking to contractors who are dealing with metal deck replacement. So tomorrow we're going to talk about all the most common topics that we're talking about every day. Mostly these obsolete, extinct profiles from 1962 that they don't make anymore, and how to match new decks, the current profiles, to those.
Are you seeing a lot of growth? It sounds like, I know you guys have been very busy, but a lot of the sustainability of metal, the long term, are you seeing a lot of growth in that market?
It's obviously been a very interesting couple of years for everyone. We're grateful that there's still a lot of construction, building going on, so there is still growth happening. It was nice actually just to land, from Illinois, to land into Texas today. There's cranes everywhere. They're building highways that are going over each other all over the place. So good for you, Texas. We're very happy that you're so busy.
Yeah. We've seen the same thing. It's crazy. Everything is growing so much. So, okay, what time's your class tomorrow morning for people who are going to be watching this?
9 a.m.
9 a.m. Oh, you lucky bun. Mine is at 7:30.
Yes.
Okay.
Please come and join us. There'll be something for everyone.
Awesome. And if you can get over here to the A.C.T. Metal Deck Supply booth, this is what you're going to see.
Have you met Nicholas Camardo, superstar salesman?
Nice to meet you here in Texas. Very nice. Can you introduce yourself real quick?
My name's Nicholas, A.C.T. Come to trade shows and Camardo. Yeah.
Perfect. Well, A.C.T. peeps, you guys are the bomb. Thank you.
You're the
Roofers
bomb.
Coffee Shop, you're ahead of your time.
Coffee shop.